Welcome back to the vlog. It has been rather long since I last spoke with you guys. I also missed my last upload, which was definitely not planned. I was supposed to vlog while we visited my boyfriend's side of the family in Italy, and I did not follow through with that. I calculated the time wrong on the day of departure, and so I was not able to start the vlog while we were at home, and I told myself I would just start the vlog while we made it that, but I never did. This is totally on me. I should have known. I find it so hard to vlog near my own family, let alone somebody else's. Anyway, all of that to say, I'm here today. It's currently Monday. As you guys can tell, I am indeed wearing my yoga set because we are indeed gonna go to yoga, and I realized that I sound like a broken record in these vlogs because I always start the vlog on a Monday and I always talk about yoga, but I literally haven't gone to yoga in 3 weeks, and so I'm super excited. I cannot wait for my body to have a proper stretch. I mean, if you're a yoga girly, you know what I'm talking about, but the feeling after you've done all the hard work and you're just like laying there on your mat waiting for that final relaxation, that I just stopped here. I do have about an hour to spare before I need to head out, so I thought we could quickly talk about our new flat. We're still waiting for the management pack from the seller. I don't know why, but that's taking ages, and this management pack as a document that we need in order for a mortgage to be approved. So as of now, we're just waiting. There's not much of an update that I can give you guys, but we did go to ikea yet again, and I'm happy to say that we are set on the big threes, that being a bed frame, a mattress, and also a sofa. I'm a bit sad because the sofa cover that I think I want, the white one, wasn't in the store, and it's made out of this very specific fabric that I really wanted to see in person to see whether or not I liked it. Aside of that, we are quite set on the type of sofa and like the shape that we want, so that's kind of fun. Our sofa and our bed frames are both gonna have extra storage, and I feel like this flat itself, you guys haven't seen it yet, but it has a lot of storage. We also have 2 external cabinets with storage, and still all we think about is storage. We also end up finding the perfect mattress. Of course, we'll have to like properly sleep in it, and I love that IKEA has a 365 days returns also for their mattresses, so you get to try them on for 12 months, and if they're not a good fit, you can just return them back and get your money. Love that. Me and my boyfriend are very different, and we love 2 different types of mattresses, and I thought this was definitely going to be an issue. I like a mattresses on the softer side and he likes it a bit more firm, but we found this medium firm mattress that I think is going to be perfect. I've also found the most beautiful dining table. I keep getting asked for it on my Instagram. It is definitely a bit more on the expensive side, but I'm low-key obsessed with it. We're definitely not gonna get it straight away, but I do want to get it eventually. It's the most precious round wooden table. The cool part is that it opens from like a 4-seat to an 8 seats, and I think that's gonna be so practical. It's just the 2 of us most of the time, so we don't need a big ass table, but to have the option to have a round small table that opens into like an 8-seat table, gonna be perfect if we ever decide to host Christmas or like a dinner party with friends. I'm really excited. Anyway, that's the update so far. We also did make up our mind on this other bed for the second room. I think the second room is most likely gonna be like a studio YouTube setup type of thing, but I do want it to be practical for when we have family over, and I've always been obsessed with these bed that can double up as a little like sofa seating area. The only thing I'm sad about is that they did not have these desks in Greenwich, and so I was not able to see it. I really wanted to see whether or not I liked it in person. I guess I'll have to order it online, and then again, if I don't like it, I'll just return it. But I'm getting ahead of myself. We definitely don't know when we'll be receiving the key, so as of now, I'm definitely not buying any furniture.
Hey, feels like I'm insane. I'm afraid to change the pictures that I framed.
I've been waiting to open this up. Let's try this on. Oh my god, I'm literally obsessed. I've always had a thing for black basic crop top, and this is just next level cool. It's definitely a little risky and you can totally see my underboob, but I think that is such a vibe. I am gonna wear a little cardigan on top because it is a little bit chilly in the house, but this is totally gonna be my outfit of the day. Hi guys, and welcome back to the vlog. It's a couple of days later. I just opened my Vinted parcel, and as you cannot tell by me fangirling about this piece already, I am obsessed with it. I got it for £2 plus shipping, so I paid like around £5 from my Vinted balance, and I'm just so happy I did. I think it looks so cool. In case you missed it, I'm not only buying from Vinted, but I'm also selling. So if any of you guys are interested in shopping my wardrobe, definitely check my Vinted listings. I do next day shippings, and I'm also very keen in accepting offers. Ideally, I like all my Vinted wardrobe to be shipped off by the time we get a new flat. It's the most beautiful day outside. The sun is shining through the window, and I love to see that. I've been very low recently. I feel like the winter uglies, the winter blues, they really affected me this year. I'm a spring girly through and through. My birthday's in spring, and I can't wait for this winter to be over. So the fact that it's sunny outside definitely makes me want to do something and leave my flat. I think I might meet up my boyfriend at his workplace. He's finishing at 5, so I'm probably gonna go to King's Cross, meet him there, and then we'll do something with the rest of sunlight that we got left. But before we do any of that, I need a coffee, and I also need to show you guys my new nails because I think they turn out so cute. It's been a while since I experimented with any sort of design, but I think they turn out so cute. I had a bit of biscuit milkshake from Five Guys left, so I added that in my coffee, froth it up, and now we're gonna add ice and milk. I mean, that looks pretty good. Moment of truth. Wait, guys, this is so good.
And the skies are blue. Chapter 32 is all just
Dai, continui di panda.
ceilings falling through.
Despite the fact that I'm wearing the same outfit, it's a few days later. I realized I've never really finished this vlog. I had all the intention to pick up my camera once we go back home after having dinner at Bao, but I feel like I was honestly exhausted, and in the next few days I just started working on my 2026 junk journal. I still need to come up with a front page, mainly because I don't know if I want to do this for 2026 only, or if I want to do this thing where I'm doing 2 year in a junk journal. Lately I had quite a lot of pages left in my junk journals, and so I don't want to be wasteful. This is how it's looking so far. I'm actually really happy with it. I'm still yet to do my Valentine's Day and Pancake Day spread, but other than that, I'm pretty happy with where we're at. I do want to film a junk journal 101 type of video where I explain to you guys all the supplies I use and how I do things, but I think it's gonna be nearly impossible to film in this flat, and so I'm definitely looking for our new flat to do that. Talking about our flat, sadly I don't have enough days just yet. We did receive this document from the agent and I sent it to our lender, but sadly that was not the right document, so long story short, we're still waiting for the fire assessment document, whatever that's called, and until we get that we can't really move forward. Hopefully in the next vlog I'll be able to give you guys more of an update, but as of now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, of course, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what video you like to see from me, and of course if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
away the way I've done before.